That's BS. I don't have a lot of finances to buy puts. Would you suggest placing a stop loss on my stocks? Um, sure. If you're worried about it dropping below a certain price, you can do that. Or another thing you could do is lock in your gains, just sell some of it, right? So if I have a stock that's done really well and it's gone up a lot, then what I might do is I would sell like so let's say the stock is $50, I buy it at 50, it goes up to 100 or something. Well, that means if I had $2,000 worth of the stock at first, now I got 4,000 worth. So I might sell 1,000 just to take some of those profits and then stay in the game though. Or maybe I sell all the profits. Like I sell $2,000 worth. I start back with the original 2,000 in a way, and maybe it can make you feel better because you feel like you're kind of playing with the house's money, so to speak. There are lots of ways to kind of look at that. Um, yeah, the thing about gold is like the price of gold has gone up so much and it's been weird. It's not supposed to do that. Gold is not supposed to be shooting up like the stock market. So it's really the relationships with some of these assets has kind of gotten weird. And also even crypto, Bitcoin. People used to call Bitcoin digital gold. They thought that Bitcoin was it had a stabilizing effect where when the market drops, your Bitcoin would stay strong. That's BS. Bitcoin is a speculative asset. So when people have what they call a risk on appetite, these speculative assets go up. Risk on means people have an appetite for risk. They're okay with diving in and buying risky assets. They feel good about that. So when the market's very frothy, very high, that's when Bitcoin will typically rise the most. I personally think Bitcoin right now is a good investment, but it's not something to bet the house on. But it's something I think that 5% allocation for toward crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that, it can work. Crypto is going to be amazing for the economic system. The value in crypto, I heard someone say this and I agreed. He said the value in crypto isn't like, oh, I'm going to buy Bitcoin, it's going to go up. He said the value in Bitcoin or crypto, sorry, not Bitcoin, of crypto is that it's similar to AI, where it's going to affect the entire ecosystem, right? Eventually, blockchain will be everywhere, and that's what makes crypto so powerful, is because it does allow for a more efficient financial system. And so, between tokenization and crypto and AI, which are all going to be related on some level, those are all industries that represent the future of finance going forward.